Alright, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's got 24,000 miles on it. It's modern steel metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape here. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear backup camera. Okay. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on the exterior of this Civic. Once again, it's a certified pre-owned 2015, 24,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, got a little bit of wear right down here in the floor mats. Okay, just where maybe the heels dug into the carpet there. Really minor stuff though. You can just put a new floor mat on top of that, or buy some nice rubber floor mats to put on top of that. Black cloth seating. All right, seats are in good shape. Keyless entry key fob right here. Okay. Got the center console. Got your USB port there. Okay. Passenger seat cloth looks good. All right. It is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Got your climate control area here. AM/FM CD player. Okay. It's going to have your display screen right there for the radio and whatnot. It's going to have your backup camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Steering wheel audio controls. Got your Bluetooth back here. Got your Econ button there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 24,445 miles on it. All right, and your display right there has got your average fuel, the range, it's got the degrees, all right, your temperature, it's got the time. And then if we look over here to the left, you got your digital speedometer. All right, it's a really nice feature Civic offers. All right, and then as we pan back, you can just see how really nice the layout is right there. You got your RPMs right there. Okay. AM/FM CD player. Got your climate control area right here. Okay. We've already showed you got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. All right, and then once again, steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth right here. Let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. All right, and as you can see, you got the guidelines on there as well. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop out, look in the back seat, check that out, and check out your trunk space. Alright, door panels back here look good. Back seat carpet down here is nice and clean, no staining down there. Alright, and then the back seat, cloth back here looks good, no problems at all. I'll go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go ahead and check out the trunk space. Alright, carpet back here looks good. You can see how much room you got back here. A ton of room in these Civics. Lift this up, you got your jack and your spare tire down there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. So we got 15-inch steel wheels. Okay, got the steel wheels back here, got the nice hubcaps on here. Just a little bit of scuffing right here on the hubcaps. Alright, but the tires, brand new set of tires. You can still see the markings on them. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2015 Civic LX, 24,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.